Not only was it a quick response, it was a thorough response. They took the time to get some Google satellite photos and Google map pictures of our house and use that to kind of give us an initial overview of what the project would look like. Even before we asked for an estimate, they provided us with a rough estimate of what the project would entail before we even started talking about asking for a real estimate. So there was always a thorough explanation of why things in the project needed to change. And while I feel Rolling Hills may not be the cheapest alternative you can find, I feel confident that we got the best quality work we could get, and that the work we had done is going to last a lot longer than if it would had we gone a cheaper route.
Definitely the best value by far. So, price is just one factor, and at the end of the day, I'd rather pay a little bit more once to do it right than to have to do it and then do it again and do it again. I'm not just saying this for the recording. I think you guys have been the best contractors we've ever worked with.
Absolutely.
Hands down.
Absolutely.
Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, and we've had a lot of work done to our house over the last 5 years or so, once we kicked the kids out of the house.